In this example, we have a class student and it has 4 attributes. The first attribute is of data type string and it's called name and it's going to store the student's name. And then we have 3 attributes, each one for different test scores. So we have test 1, test 2, test 3, and they all of data type double. Okay, so then we have a constructor. You always have to have a constructor in order to create an instance of a class. And if you don't have a constructor, there's a default one that has no parameters. So if you want the object of the data type class to have some value at creation, then you need to pass those values as parameters to the constructor. So the constructor has the same name as the class and it has no return data type. That's what makes the constructor as opposed to a method. So in this case, we are passing our 4 attribute values. So the first one is the name, the second one is test 1, then test 2, test 3, and each of those gets assigned to the attributes. So the parameter name gets assigned to the attribute name, test 1 parameter gets assigned, the value of it gets assigned to test 1, and so forth. And then we have another method called getAverage that has no parameters, and it takes the 3 test values, so whatever's stored in the attribute at runtime, and divides it by 3 and returns that value. So that's a declaration, a definition of a class student. So once you create a class, then you can create the variables of that data type, because now it's a new data type. So I can create a variable called std1 of data type student, std2 of data type student, and std3 of data type student.